Another big box has arrived from 6 Element. What could it be? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today we are unboxing the 6 Element full titanium mid-pipe. Now I, by no means, am a mechanic. I'm doing this by myself. I really don't know what I'm doing, but that's kind of the fun of it. You know what I mean? Establishing that relationship, that connection with your car by doing it yourself rather than paying for someone else to do it. Also, a lot cheaper this way. I love the 6 Element packaging. Like, this is like no joke corner stuff. The packaging is just so serious. But here we are. Whoo, this looks so nice. Look at the intake. I just love that presence. This is the real deal right here. All right, so here we are under the car. All right, guys, so it is the next day. Yeah, we need an impact drill to get off the bolts because I was just not strong enough. And in my neighborhood, can't be loud at nights. And we've taken the little exhaust hanger thing right here. We've taken that off. And the stock mid-pipe is sitting right here. Oh. So right now we're putting the rear section, the second half of the mid-pipe onto the rear part. Make sure you have your factory gaskets. Obviously you didn't see me put them on. They stayed on when I took them off, so nose is itching. And now we gotta put this on.
6.5 hours later.
Now that it's been a few days after the install, everything is good. This thing sounds amazing. It is time to give you guys some driving sound clips. It just so happens that Dylan knew of a little tunnel that we can do some tunnel blasting. Pause. All right, so we have this tunnel right here, and we're about to do some pulls through it. Mid-pipe was super easy to install. Once again, shout out to 6 Element for sponsoring your boy and the build. Are you guys ready for this? Titanium mid-pipe getting rid of the resonator. Let's turn around and do that again. That was fun. So this pull we're gonna do just low RPMs, just building that boost up, and then to see how the exhaust sounds low RPMs. Then we're gonna get some outside shots for you guys. Are you guys ready? Holy smokes. This car is a hoot! That is eco mode. And that was N mode. So we have a little launch. That's stupid. That is stupid. We have the stock downpipe, right? Stock cats. We have a full titanium mid-pipe deleting the resonator, and we still have the stock exhaust. Now, what you guys want to know is how does it sound windows up, if we put it in like normal eco, the car is still quiet. You hear it? Versus when I put it in N mode. Like it's still not crazy. So now we're gonna get some outside shots of a rip, a low RPM pull, and then a launch.